Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix the Camtasia screen recorder not working. So I'll show you. I have Camtasia. The recorder is not working. I'll show you. And see, it's opening. See, it's not opening. From second option also it is not opening. See, from second option also, if I press on record, it will not open. So firstly you'll have to quit it, then go to the shortcut and then open file location. Then here will be a file named cam recorder exe. So you'll just left click on it and properties. Then you'll go to the compatibility tab and here you'll have to enable this thing. So firstly we'll change settings, run this program as an administrator. So it will ask you if your UAC is. So I'll close it, and again if I'll open it, then you can see. See, you can see now the recorder will work now. It is opening. It is going this. You can see the recorder is opening now. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.